Okay, so welcome to today's market review and expectation. It's been a while since I posted a video, so let's head right into the charts. And today is 10th of December, right? So and the time is around 8:52 GMT. Just let's see what I was expecting the previous weeks, and then what the market delivered and what I'll be expecting in the coming week. Okay. All right. So let me bring up these charts before. Okay, so in the previous week, I was expecting the dollar index to drop down into this area. Let me go to MT4. Yeah, so to take out this, I was expecting the dollar index to take out this um, previous daily low right here. Okay, and then from there we have our retracements into this weekly fair value gap low. As I've indicated, I would move to the weekly charts and then we will see the level much clearer. But I think price actually went much lower than I expected. Okay, right onto this particular level around 102 points, 500. Okay, and let's head back to the weekly so we see what I was talking about. Okay, so this is what I was talking about right here. So I was expecting price to drop down into this particular low, right, which did and went much lower, and then I was expecting price to have a reaction off of this particular fair value gap low, right here. So this is a screenshot I took right here. Okay, so I was expecting price to drop into this, to rise up into this area, and then we see for the coming days or weeks, we see price going lower as it has been for the past few days back. Okay, so I actually wrote down something that if you open and trade below the 103 level, I'm shorting dollar. Okay, that's 103 level is around this value here, the high of this fair value gap. Okay, this sorry, the low of this fair value gap is what I'm talking about. If price should open and then we trade lower than that particular price level. Okay, I was expecting a short for that week. That was just last week, which was from the 4th to the 8th, right? If 103.102 doesn't support price, then I'm shorting. Okay, if at this level, the higher end of this particular level, in other words, I was expecting that particular level to support price up into my weekly expectation, which is in this particular section, the high end of this, so the low end of this fair value gap, this area, then that particular area. Okay, so that was what I was expecting. And in the previous weeks, I think price actually did exactly that. So the previous week, price used that level, that 100 and in the previous week, price used that 103.102, which is the high end of this particular fair value gap. Okay, so I was expecting price to use this particular level in the markets. That's the low end of this fair value gap. The high end of this fair value gap is 103. So the low is 0.12. Okay, so that's the higher end of this fair value gap. Okay, I was expecting that that particular section will support price, and in the previous week, this is Sunday's candle open, so it's not counted. Okay, so you start from here. It actually supported price on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we reached our target, and then Thursday we had a retracement back. Okay, and Friday price tried to pull up back into the fair value gap, the low end, as the weekly fair value gap. That's we saw. Okay, so what am I looking at in this coming week? In this coming week, my target is actually to see how price trade in this particular area. My target is to see how price trade in this particular area, but I'm still expecting a short on the dollar, but based on what price does on Monday and then probably Tuesday. Okay, on Monday and then probably Tuesday. So based on what price does on Monday and probably Tuesday, that will decide whether I'm still going to go short or I'll hold on to see what price is yet to do. So that what price does on Monday and Tuesday in this particular area, that gray area, okay, is what would solidify my short position in the dollar. Let's see how price trades on the Monday and then probably Tuesday. If you should see price having resistance or having hard time going up, okay, then most likely I'm just going by this particular expectation that I've been looking at for the past 2 weeks. Then we see how price would will trade. Okay, so everything that has been done here, if you are trading the dollar index, sorry, the Euro USD, is just the inverse of that. If what I'm expecting here is the dollar is going to go short, and that will be confirmed on Monday and Tuesday how price trades. And if indeed price tells me shows signs that it is going to go down, then obviously we are buying the euro and then the pound, GU and then EU. Okay, we are buying them. But if price shows signs of going up, still going up, to the point of even filling this whole fair value gap on the daily. Okay, this is a fair value I'm talking about. Yeah, so if price tries to move up, then probably we might fill in that particular fair value gap as I talked about. So let's see how we open on Sunday evening and then price trades on the Monday and then Tuesday. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching.